Whether you're inspired by a celebrity's outfit or a creator's style in your feed, it's so easy to find a similar look yourself. With a simple gesture, you can break down the whole look. And with a few taps, you can try something on and check out. So we got to thinking, how can we use these kinds of AI capabilities to help you accomplish even more on your phone? The industry calls it agentic AI. I just call it getting stuff done. Let me share an example. I'm finally leaving the office, keys in hand, when the family group chat starts exploding. It's pizza night. Suddenly, I'm being flooded with different texts. Pepperoni here, no onions there. Somebody wants a specific drink, and now my son apparently needs garlic knots. Usually, that's my cue to sit in the parking lot for 10 minutes, toggling between different apps, manually to build this complex order. But now, I can simply ask Gemini to handle it. I asked Gemini to look in the chat thread, figure out what to order, and make it happen on one of my favorite delivery apps. And while I'm headed to the car for my commute, Gemini is hard at work. Because it's happening in the background, my phone is still mine to use. I can take a call or catch up on a podcast while Gemini navigates the app for me. It's built with user transparency and control, so if I want to stay in the loop, I can watch Gemini work in real time, following along with every step it takes. And once my card is ready, I'll get an alert from Gemini to take another look. And if I'm happy with the order, press submit, and it's done. So how does this work? Android is able to launch the app you need in a virtual window. And then Gemini 3 uses its reasoning and multimodal capabilities to make a plan and navigate the app to get the task done. Just like you would, turning your intention into action. Getting this right is pretty important. So we're excited to make this early preview available on the S26 to get feedback from all of you and our developer community. This capability will initially be available on a limited set of apps with more to come. You can get your groceries, book a ride, or order a meal on apps like DoorDash and Grubhub. Give it a try and tell us what you think. In partnership with Samsung, we're defining a new era of mobile intelligence. And Android is always where you see the future first. Thank you for having me here today. Back to you, Wonju.
Thank you, Samir. Good job. We are incredibly excited about the future of mobile AI and how the ecosystem of devices that knows you best will transform into the companion that helps you most. To tell you about the engine that will drive this, please welcome back Rachel.
Thank you. The seamless intelligence that Wonjun and Samir just described demands a powerful foundation. So we worked closely with industry-leading partners to customize APs for the Galaxy S26 series. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a 39% more powerful NPU enables faster on-device AI, from generative features to real-time context understanding. You'll see results quicker right when you need them. This level of responsiveness holds even when you're multitasking. A 19% faster CPU keeps on-device AI feeling instant while your apps launch quickly. So even when you move between multiple apps or browser tabs, you can pick up where you left off seamlessly. And for the gamers, the Galaxy S26 Ultra provides our most powerful gaming experience yet, with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. The 24% improved GPU handles heavy visuals effortlessly. And through Vulkan optimization, everything you see sees fluid and sharp. We're continuing to expand the list of Vulkan-optimized titles to keep bringing this level of performance to even more games. With a 17% boost in ray tracing performance, you'll notice a significant difference in visually demanding moments, like when the light hits the water and how the shadows move with you. This is console-level performance in your pocket. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also holds up during heavy-spec games thanks to advanced thermal management. Introducing our largest vapor chamber ever. We're now on our 6th iteration, which provides improved performance with a redesigned internal structure. Combined with the newly added side TIM, the device manages heat more efficiently. And that efficiency extends to the battery. We've optimized power consumption to give you all-day battery life with up to 31 hours of video playback. Then, when you do need a quick boost to keep it going, Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers the fastest charging speeds we've ever offered, reaching up to 75% in as little as 30 minutes. So you can power up quicker and stay unplugged for longer. And when you're doing more for longer, whether it's gaming, streaming, or scrolling, the performance should pay off where you experience it the most, the display. Display innovation has always been central to the Galaxy experience. On the Galaxy S26 series, our processor advances fundamentals beyond brightness and smoothness for a higher fidelity image. Our Indian IE powers enhanced image processing, so colors appear more subtle and natural with smoother gradients. The skies are more vibrant, and the shadows are more deep. Combined with the AI-enhanced ProScaler, you get improved image scaling, so photos and videos appear richer and clearer at a glance. But a great display has to go beyond clarity. We wanted to add a whole new capability, one that redefines what display innovation can look like. Let's take a look.
Brighter, more interactive, wider, flexible, and smoother screens. For years, we've pushed display innovation forward. But in our pursuit to provide the best viewing experience, we inevitably made it clearly visible to everyone. Privacy films can be a temporary solution, but there are trade-offs. Dimmer screens, inconveniences when sharing. Wouldn't it be great if you can control your display based on when you want to share versus what you want to keep private? Introducing the world's first privacy display on mobile. Traditionally, displays are designed to be viewed from the widest angles possible. So standard pixels spread light widely to meet your eyes from every angle. But a privacy display requires narrowing the light to only reach you. So we engineered the Black Matrix. The Black Matrix narrows the path of the light emitted from each pixel, precisely controlling the light visible to you. This new architecture makes up the narrow pixel, which works alongside a newly widened standard pixel engineered to deliver sufficient light in every direction. When privacy display is on, narrow pixels work as the primary light source, so your screen is visible for your eyes only. When privacy mode is off, all the pixels work in tandem, so the screen is visible from every angle. The best part? The privacy display is customizable. Set it to activate for specific apps, or for notifications that may pop up when you least expect them. Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps unexpected notifications automatically hidden for those moments. The power to control what you share with shoulder surfers is in your hands. The privacy display sets a new standard in display innovation.
That's next level display innovation. Privacy built into the display that gives you the choice to shape your mobile experience. And no solution should be one size fits all. For your most sensitive moments, you can toggle on maximum privacy protection. The maximum privacy protection intensifies the privacy effect by adjusting the pixel contrast, bringing down the bright areas and lifting the darker ones so your screen looks far less readable from the side. But don't just take our word for it. For a very first hands-on, please welcome tech creator, Miles Above Tech. Miles?
Thanks, Rachel. Hey, everyone. I'm Miles, and I run Miles Above Tech. I review all types of tech online, and today I'm super excited to talk about the privacy display on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's seriously one of the coolest features I've seen on a phone in years. And here's Riley to help me show you how it works. Right now, I have the privacy display on. You can see my screen clearly, but you can't see it from the sides. See? Yeah. But if I want, I could just go ahead and turn it off like this. Thank you, Riley. This way, I can keep whatever's on my screen private, but also share my screen with my friends. It's like a privacy film I can turn off and on whenever I want. It's a real game changer. And because it's built into the display, it can even work for smaller elements on the screen, like having it turn on for specific notifications or areas of the screen. And then add the new chipset, it really just makes me super excited